Hi there, and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the very first steps of using our PhotoBook software. We'll start with creating your account, and then we'll take a look at how to get started on your very first project. Creating an account. Open your web browser and go to our website. Look for the login button in the top right corner of the page. Fill in your details, like your name, email address, and a password you'll remember. Once you've entered everything, click on Register. Great! Your account is now ready. Getting started with your PhotoBook. Remember to log in with your account details on your next visit. Choose PhotoBook from the various product options. Upload your photos by selecting them from your computer. Choose a name for your album. Once your photos are uploaded, you'll see them in your media library, ready to be placed into your book. And that's it. You've created your account and taken your very first steps toward building a beautiful photo book. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into saving a project, layouts, customization, and using the autofill function for really quick photo books. So go ahead, log in, start a project, and let your creativity flow.